everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can send money from PayPal to Neteller. So the quick answer to that is there is no way that you can send money from PayPal to Neteller in the direct way. So what we're going to do is we're going to send the payment to the linked bank account that you have, and then from there you just have to deposit that money to your Neteller. So first, just go ahead and select the way of your transfer. So let's just click on this link and an eligible debit card, and then click on next after that. So from here, you just have to provide the credit card number or the debit card number, the card type, and also the expiration and security code. And then you also have to put in here the billing address, and then just click on link card, and then you just have to confirm the transaction. So once you have received the money on your linked bank account, you just go ahead and open your Neteller, and from here just click on the money in, and you just have to select here, so depends on you, and then go ahead and click on deposit now. So from here, just have to enter the amount of the money that you're going to be depositing to your Neteller, and then click on continue at the bottom and just confirm the deposit. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!